Hey traders, welcome back. I'm Barry, a financial technician, and today I've got something special for you, an exclusive discount on one of the most powerful AI day trading platforms in the world, TradingView. TradingView won our award for Best AI Day Trading Software because of its automated trading signals, backtesting, and live trading room. It's built for serious day traders who want real-time, high-probability trade setups. Now, as an official TradingView partner, I can get you 15% off your first month or your first year's subscription with the partner code LIBERATED. That means if you go annual, you can stack savings. TradingView already gives 25% off for yearly plans. Add my 15% partner code on top, and that's a serious discount. Quick tip, the best deal usually comes during flash sales, holiday events, or Black Friday, where discounts can jump as high as 40%. If you don't want to miss those, sign up for my newsletter. I'll send you a quick reminder whenever one of these big sales goes live. Want to try TradingView for yourself? Click the link in the description, use the code LIBERATED, and you'll lock in that 15% discount. Plus, you'll be supporting the channel at the same time. So here's the bottom line. TradingView is the ultimate AI day trading platform, and with my partner discount code, you can start saving right now. If you're a serious day trader, this is one of the best tools you'll ever add to your trading arsenal. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check the discount links below. Don't forget to sign up for the newsletter so you never miss a flash sale or Black Friday deal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.